Good morning, students. In class 10th and TSE, we will study second module of analogy. And this analogy, which we have discussed already, means correspondence. And here we have to make a correspondence between the different things, different types of relationships which exist in the world. Now we come to the second part of it, that is types of analogies. Now, number one, on the basis of relationships, we can draw the different concepts in this way. Number one, country and capital. For example, Afghanistan and Kabul. They are country and Kabul is the capital of Afghanistan. Number two, country and currency. For example, India and rupee. Rupee is the currency of India. 3. Genders, opposite, we call, for example, father, mother, boy, girl. D part, that is number 4. Quantity and measurement, that is length and meter. Cloth is measured in meters, that is the length of cloth is measured in meter. Then we come to second part of this type is completing the analogies in pair. For example, is number one is our this A part, completing the analogous pair. Analogous means same part which is related to each other. For example, vigilant, alert. They have same meaning. Vigilant means alert and visible will be, there are four options A, B, C and D, and out of these four options we have to decide which one is possible. Active, hopeless, visible, useful. Here active is not possible, hopeless is not possible, useful is not possible, visible means which can be easily seen. So C will be the correct one. So visible is the correct option. Next we come to B part of it. Choosing the analogous pair means we have a pair which have a meaning chimney and smoke. Chimney is an object and smoke comes out of from chimney. So the relationship is between a bigger concept and out of that what produces, what comes out. Chimney produces smoke and options are T and kettle, B house and roof, and C is gun and bullet. T and cattle, that is not the correct one because tea can't produce cattle. So this is rejected. House, roof. A house has a roof, alright, but it doesn't produce roof. It is constructed on a roof. And C is gun and bullet. Yes, it is possible that a bullet comes out of from a gun. In this way, analogous pair is completed. Then we come to option C, which is the correct one. Now we come to third part of it, that is choosing a similar word, that is word having a same meaning or something similarity between two or three words. For example, sitar and guitar. Then tanpura. Sitar, guitar and tanpura. They have something in common. They have strings. Now, what will be the correct options? A, B and C. Here A is violin, B is harmonium and C is trumpet. Now, harmonium and trumpet, they do not have strings. Only violin has strings. So A will be the correct. Next we come to number 4, that is number analogy. This is a very important concept in our studies because Here, maximum questions comes in the form of digits. For example, here 3 ratio 11 is proportionate to 7 ratio what number? Now if we see carefully, four options are number 1 22, number 2 29, number 3 18, and number 4 51. Now here 3 will be written as, see carefully, this 3 square plus 2 is equal to 9 plus 2 is 11. So in this way 3 is combined with 11, like this. 3 is combined with 11. So what will be the seventh condition here? Therefore 7 square will be plus 2, that is equal to 49 plus 2 is 51. So when I calculate this thing, I get 7 will be proportionate to 51. So this option is correct. So in this way, we will establish a relationship between the different things. That is why it is called an analogy. That is known as a correspondence between the two things. And these correspondence are associated by some certain rules. So in conclusion, I have explained you the different types of analogies. Number one is on the basis of relationship. Number two, completing the homologous pair. And then number three is choosing a similar word. And number four is number of analogy. So we should go through them very carefully while solving our assignments. Dear students, today I will give you assignments based on these topics, and these topics are important for our study. Thank you.